Hi guys, how are we doing? Welcome to my last video for the year. I'll be going over some of the trades I'm looking forward to getting to in the coming year. I'll be showing you guys why I'm going to take them, why I have the buyers, why I want to sell, why I want to buy, so that we can check through together. Make sure you do your own analysis. I'm going to be analyzing from the monthly all the way to the 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 15 minutes, where you are going to get in. And of course, I'm going to give you some trades that you might get into to make some money too. Last week, I was looking out for a sell on AUDUSD. It's still consolidating around my area. I don't know why. I'm expecting it to come back to this zone. It's moved a bit. It was actually in deep profit, but then created another liquidity down here. So I feel it just wanted to test it one more time before moving. So I'm still loading. So I'm going to go into a new chart on GBPCHF. Let's see. Let's do it up. Okay. I think we can do this. I don't like it stuff. Let's do FX here. Perfect. So we are going to start from the monthly, guys. What do we have on the monthly? Okay, so this is going to be very straightforward. It's as simple as this. We have a break to the downside here. We have supply zones here and the space that needs to be filled up. So that means the market left some gaps here for us that is yet to be filled. So we can expect the market to still go up. But nevertheless, always follow what the market is showing you at the moment. I always tell you that. So on the weekly, we had this current supply zone and a lot of liquidity down here waiting to be mitigated. So when you have trend line that looks so unreal like this, watch out for them. They might be a trap. You understand? So because of that, you need to be careful. So I'm expecting an up movement, but I'm not going to do that until I get something down here. So on the daily, what do we have? So that's when a breaker block here was activated. I actually changed that. So we saw it tap into that breaker block here. So if you check it, let me show you so you guys can see. You can see this big candle and it was broken. So it was a resistance. So it was broken and now acting as a support down here. So immediately the market tapped into it. I was very curious. I was expecting. So let me come to the 4 hours so we can see. So I was expecting the market to break this. Let me just use this. Yeah, I was expecting the market to break this. So immediately the market did, right, on the daily. So where's that candle on the daily? Okay, good. Right here was where I was waiting for the market to give me something. Okay, so this was the other block I was watching out for last week. So once the market came in here after breaking this, so let me just remove this so we can see clearly. Just follow me. If you can do this thing step by step the way you're seeing me do it, you will get it. Just follow. It is very simple. Don't complicate things yourself. So after this I was taken out, the market came back for this. So does that mean you are just going to get in because the market is back in? No, you wait for your confirmation, right? So on the 4 hours, this was where the first confirmation came in. And if you understand trading, you'll get what happened there. So let me just explain. So we had on the 15 minutes, we had a break of this low, of this high rather, sorry. That was a break, giving this red candle. That was a spike. There was a spike So given this red candle that was a spike, our order block, right? So that was the first confirmation we got the moment the market came into our POI. So after the market came into our POI, we got this confirmation right here. Immediately, we have this break of this high, guys. We're expecting the market to come in, and I have my trade down here, stop loss very tight, and my target was just this high here, which it came to. It was a good 4.77, but then, guys, the trade is not yet over. That was just our first confirmation because this move has created liquidity up here. This is liquidity that the market is going to come for. Here is the new trade. So after it has moved here, remember, the overall trade is for it to come in here and move above, right? We could see liquidity that was built down here too for that move. So that move was a very good one. That was the first trade that I got into. And after this has been cleared out, a new liquidity has been built at the top. We have a new break of structure of the low that came to tap into this, right? So guys, we have a new point of interest, which is the other block right here, right? So that's the latest demand zone that we have right here. So our new trade is going to be very simple. Very, very simple. So what I'm going to do is I will be carrying this to the initial agreement of this other block that we have right here. So you can take profit as time goes on, but then this is what I have for this trade coming next week and the new year. So feel free to watch out for it. So this can put the stop loss to be maybe 16 to 17 pips. 17 is not too much to risk, right? So 17 pips stop loss. Then your target obviously is going to swipe this liquidity, so you are sure of that already. But then, yeah, I think I like this area. Yeah, I think I like this area for those that don't want to risk too much. A good 7.89 risk to reward is good for you. So you can just get out there. You understand that? Although I know the market is going to go right there. This is just a trap for that block. A lot of people will be waiting to sell here. So it's actually going to go behind it. Like I said, it's going to come at least maybe to a year or a year. But then you can get out here and watch out what happens there. So that's what I have on GBPCHF. You can see on my original trade, this is what I'm looking out for. I'm actually waiting for it to come. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. I'm waiting for it to come to this overall liquidity that is built above here. So I have one ratio 18.56. You understand? But then you can feel free, like I said, on the 2 hours, on the 2 hours, I saw that. On the 2 hours, so feel free to get out there. Feel free to get out. So this was so that you can see this is my real markup. Because how I marked it up, you can see how it was tapping into it just like I marked up for you. I have this since when I got into this trade. After I got in, I moved to the next one I'm expecting it to come into. You can see it's very easy. You just need to take your time to, study things and don't make things complicated. So like I said, a 16 pip stop loss is good. Then you can target the high I showed you here. Or you can be like me, target the overall liquidity at the top. That's what I have on GBPCHF. Let me give you one more. AUDUSD, what do I have? Okay, good. I like this. I like AU a lot. So down here, if you go through the last 2 videos I did, report this move right here. After we had this, just like what we did now, when we tap into it, after the break, we can see the move. And ever since we had another break of structure here, where I told you to get in again, you can see. So right now we have another active break of structure right here. So AU has been telling us it's bullish, so we shouldn't do anything to contradict that. So it's going, we should keep looking for buys right now. So right now it has given a lot of space here. So that means the market might likely want to come back down to this demand zone stroke order block. You understand? So because we are expecting the market to come back to close all this space, I will be looking to sell a little bit. And another confirmation I have then is if I do my point A to point B, which did not pass 38.2, it has reached the TP1. So we can expect a bit of a reversal. So which is why on the lower time frame on AU, I am looking for a sell. But I will not take that sell until this trend line. You can see divergence already. It is going up while RSI is coming down. So it has given you its own confirmation. So I'm looking for a break of this low and a retest, break of this low and this trend line, and a retest to get in. You know, I told you, if you see anything like this kind of order block, is either it has happened or it's a trap. So I feel this small order block right now is a trap because it has given something like a break of structure here, and this would be a good order block. So there will be some orders here. So I won't be looking to take the buy because a lot of people have something like this right now. Right? A lot of people have something like this right now, which is logically a good trade, but because of the overall trend, like I said, we have some space down here and we have divergence, so I feel like this will not hold. So that is why, that's another reason why I am not going to take the sell instantly. I will see what happens when it comes here. If it breaks this low, breaks this trend line, and breaks this to come back and retest, then I'll get in that sell all the way down here. Do we understand? So that is what I have on AU. That is what I have on GH. What else can I give you? End of the year gifts, end of the year gifts, end of the year gifts. I marked up GH for you from the beginning. That's the gift I have for you. But then, EURGBP. So we have this order block that has been filled. And I feel like the market still has a long way to go. Might decide to come back down because of this divergence, which is why after it has broken this low, created another block and is right around there. So I'm looking to take this sell, but I will not get in until, like I always tell you, this trend line and low is broken and retested, and I'll get in on the sell. Are we together? So guys, that's it. I hope you guys are good. I hope you are learning. I'll see you guys next year. And next year, I'm going full out. I'm going all out. I will be doing more things coming for you guys, more learning. Please make sure you tag in, make sure you join in. I'll be doing some kind of discount for people that wants to learn, but they do not have enough resources. I have a lot of things backed up. Just look out for it. Keep glued to the channel. And I'll see you guys next year. Bye.